Tired of sending long Dropbox links that nobody clicks? Learn how to create a QR code for any folder in under 2 minutes. First, get your Dropbox share link. Then use a free QR generator to turn it into a scannable code. Here is exactly how. So let's start by heading over to Dropbox.com. Go ahead and sign into your account. This is the same place where all your files and folders live, so you should be right at home. Now find the folder you want to share. Maybe it's a project folder for work, a photo album for family, or a collection of documents for a team. Whatever it is, just scroll through your files until you see it. Take your time, there is no rush. Alright, once you have located that folder, look for the Share button right next to it. It is usually a small button or an icon depending on your view. Click on that. This is where you control who gets access and how. A window will pop up. In that window, you will see an option that says Copy Link. Give that a click. Doing this copies the direct shareable URL to your clipboard. Think of it as the digital address for your folder. As Mard's Alina shows in this guide, this link is the key ingredient we need. Now open a new tab in your web browser. Head over to a free QR code generator. There are plenty of great ones out there. Pick one that looks clean and simple. You do not need anything fancy for this. Once the generator is open, you will see a big input field. Paste that Dropbox link you just copied right in there. You can use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. Just click inside the box and let it go. Now click the Generate button. In just a second or two, your QR code will appear on the screen. It is that little square pattern of black and white boxes. And here is the really important part. That pattern now contains the direct path to your Dropbox folder. Anyone who scans it with their phone camera will be taken straight there. Finally, download or save the QR code. Most generators will have a button that says Download or Save Image. Click that and choose a spot on your computer to keep it. I would recommend giving it a clear name like Dropbox Folder QR Code so you can find it later. And that is it. You went from a messy, long link to a clean, scannable QR code in just a couple of minutes. Now you can add it to a flyer, put it on a presentation slide, print it out for a physical handout, or even share it in a digital document. People just point their phone camera at it and they are in. No typing, no clicking through long URLs. It is fast, it is simple, and it works every time.